Alright guys, here's a video. I'm gonna show you right now how I'm gonna season my chicken, because I'm gonna cook some brown stew chicken, but I'm gonna show you how to marinate your chicken. Okay, so remember my blend season, so I'm gonna take some out. Okay, about that amount on it, and after that now I'm gonna use some olive oil on the chicken, that to keep this seasoning intact. Here, always using my easy spice chicken season and my all-purpose easy spice. So you don't need a lot of this season, guys, on your meat. Okay, just a little bit, that's it. You don't need a lot of this season, so just a little bit. Sprinkle a little bit, and we're gonna add some browning. So it's a stew chicken that I'm marinating, so that's the grace browning. So as you look at that now, guys, look, so I'm gonna rub that in. So very easy. Look at that. So that's the blend season. So that's marinating the chicken with it. I let that sit for next day, an hour, all depends. When you finish with that, guys, so delicious, trust me. Yes guys, that's how to marinate and season chicken with my blend season right over here. Yes, used to marinate my chicken. Alright guys, remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment.